Hey there, let's look at how to make an emotional Afro swing type beat in FL Studio. If you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So let's set our tempo. I'm going to go slow today. Let's try maybe 96, 97. Let's try 97 and we're going to open the channel rack as usual. And let's come to the Safi drum kit. This drum kit has everything in it from drum loops to shaker loops, hat loops, one shots, and even drum fills and drum rolls. You know, it has all of them. So let's come to the one shots. Let's listen out for kicks. Yeah, let's use that. So let's look for a rim shot. So we're going to use that rim shot and they'll create a simple pattern. So it just go like, reduce the volume. Let's extend this and then we repeat the same sequence again. So let's play with the kick a little bit. So come here. Yeah, let's add that in there. Hey there, before we go any further, I want to let you know that I do offer one-on-one private coaching where I'll teach you personally how to make beats or how to mix and master professionally. So all you have to do is contact this WhatsApp number on your screen and let's get to know each other and see how I can help you achieve the goal and the results that you actually want. So without wasting any more time, let's get back to the lesson. Let's try. Let's have that. Raise the volume. Let's have a hat. Let's have a second kick. Let's come to one shot and hats again. Let's have let's pitch it a bit higher. All right, let's have that on the channel rack. Simply duplicate that. So now let's play some chord progressions on here. So I'm going to be using, let's try Keyscape today. To load up Keyscape and let's come to electric pianos. So we'll be using these presets. Come to piano roll. So our key and scale, let's use a major key. Let's use F major. So play our chord. Simply sticking to the light gray line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reduce velocity. Duplicate that. Let's take it to a higher octave. Dun, dun. This is a classic emotional chord in the Afrobeat space. Dun, dun. So simply stretch that. Then we duplicate that. Let's link it to the mixer, remove some low end. So come right here. Hey there, so just a quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, I want to let you know that we also offer structured courses that you can learn step by step if you're trying to learn how to make beats or you're trying to learn how to mix and master. What you have to do is check out our website, sctutorial.com, and you also earn your certification when you complete the course successfully. The course comes with materials and resources that will help you learn, and what you'll be getting will be straight results so you can make bangers or even make killer mixes. So if you're interested, don't forget to visit our website, sctutorial.com, and check out our available courses. It's 100% online and you get to learn at your own pace in your own time. Simply visit our website once again, sctutorial.com, and get started today. All right, so let's get back to the lesson. Let's add a chord layer. Let's use augmented grand piano from Arturia, and let's see what we can find. All right, let's try that. Copy and paste. We want like moody sounds, that feel kind of emotional. Okay. Let's add some bass notes. So let's add a lead melody. I'm going to be using, let's use Sky Keys. Let's look for a plug sound. Okay, let's rock with that. Come to the piano roll. Dun, 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 dun. Just a simple dun. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Let's duplicate that, take it to a high octave. So let's play an ambient melody. I'm going to be using pure lo-fi. Let's come right here. Let's come to lead. That's what we can get. Yeah. I like using this sound a lot, so I'm going to come right here. I think I'm just going to copy this melody, just to layer it up with it. Let's copy that. Paste. But I think I'll let it play just a single note. Let's make it longer. Let's add another ambient. Let's go to pure lo-fi again. I just wanted to like have that texture going on. Let's come to pad. Let's try that. There's many ways you can play your ambient melodies. You can either play on the root key or follow the bass notes or follow any of the notes that make up the chord. Let's reduce the volume. I think there's too much information in this part, so let's move to this other side. Let's add the guitars. I'm going to come to this Ahiri guitar loop. I'm going to come right here. Let's come to the full mix. Let's see. I'm sure we can make this work. Let's look for the stems for number 17. I don't want to use the main chord, so let's use that. So this is E major and our production is F major. So all I have to do is take it 100 cents up. After this, cut out the parts that I don't particularly like. So here's the volume. use an EQ to fix this. So let's create the bass. I'll be using, let's use Triton Extreme. Come right here, come to bass. I love using this guy. So let's create something. All right, so let's create the bass. Doom. Let's bring it down 1 octave lower. I want to do like a shake. And that's pretty much it for the melodies and the drums. You can even add more layers of melodies if you like, add some vocal chops here and there, but when you got to this level, you pretty much done a good job already, and all you have to pretty much do is flesh it all out into the intro, verses, hooks, and all of that. So if you found this helpful and you like the sounds that you heard in this project, you can get the kits on our website, sctutorials.com. See you soon. Cheers.